Moscow was hit by one of its heaviest snowfalls on record on Thursday. Weather forecasts indicated that snowfall within 24 hours could amount to nearly two-thirds of the city's average February total, marking one of the most intense snowstorms of the season. Despite the severe conditions, Moscow's airports remained operational, although at least 19 flights were canceled and more than 100 others were delayed. Local media and meteorologists have dubbed the snowstorm Wall-E after the 2008 Disney or Pixar film and expect it to subside by Friday morning. The extreme weather underscores a harsh winter in the Russian capital, with repeated heavy snowfalls and temperatures plunging to as low as -25 degrees Celsius. This marks a stark contrast to the previous winter, which was among the warmest on record. According to a study by Moscow State University, January 2026 recorded the heaviest snowfall in Moscow in more than 200 years, highlighting increasingly volatile winter conditions in the region.